So this is just so exciting where we're going. This is Florida State College at Jacksonville, and it's their website on their programs and areas of study. And you can see that their programs and areas of study are categorized into 8 pathways that are pretty straightforward: arts, communication, business, health sciences, education. We can see where many of our programs would fit right within these same pathways, and they make sense in terms of gen eds and so forth. So let's just, we'll take the first one here, arts, humanities, communication, and design, and it gives us a little bit about the program as an overview and about the Associate of Arts roadmaps and so forth. But let's get right into it. We can see here, if we click on degrees, there are the degrees that they offer. Here are the certificates that they offer. And continuing education. Actually, this is a prep exam. And there's the roadmap that we were talking about, the different roadmaps. So we're a new student. We get here. I know I want to do a degree program, so I select that. But boy, I'm not sure. I know I don't want to do a Bachelor's of Arts program yet. But let's see, arts and science. I like digital media. That sounds fun, and they've got it in the AS form here, which can actually lead right into the BAS, which makes a lot of sense. So that sounds pretty exciting to me. I'm going to check that out. So from here, I get to the page for digital media, multimedia technology. I can apply here. I can talk to an advisor. Tuition and fees. It tells me exactly what the program will cost and I can get into more depth there. But boy, I just want to figure out if this is what I want to do. So I can read about the program here and what are the requirements for the program. And it delineates the coursework for the program. But then down below, it even goes a step further. There's my boy, that's my pathway, right? It's more than my pathway. This is exactly what I need to take each and every semester of the course. And they do delineate down, so my gen eds, they recommend a few that are more pertinent than others, but not always, right? We can refer here to our gen ed requirements, and it'll bring me to the more global programs, and there are the courses for the that I can select for my gen ed courses. So that's fantastic, but I know exactly what it is that I need to take. Now this is something that our faculty will enjoy. So outcomes tells me the exact outcomes of the program, tells me that as a student, and also obviously that these are things that faculty are assessing as part of their accreditation and ongoing review of the program as well. So it's all just laid out right here, nice and easily. And actually, if I were an actual student already enrolled in the college, as I got into my requirements here, and there's my gen eds, right? But I scroll down into my term. Actually enrolling for classes becomes as simple as when I select that down here, it would actually have all the courses available, sections available in the fall term. I could click on it. It goes right into my schedule, and advising and scheduling becomes that simple. So that's where we're going with the digital catalog and some of the things that we're doing. So that will immensely help the advising process it. But this is where I want to get to. This is why the pathways become so important, because we can embed those pathways right into the catalog. The catalog becomes the web interface for scheduling, and it's that seamless. So that's the goal.